All right, this is my first unboxing. Gonna do some Bowman's Best 2020. Got the master box for guaranteed chrome autos per master box. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Oh, I'm hoping this isn't gonna be too difficult. All right, here we go. Got 2 boxes. Let's go ahead and crack into the first one. Pretty good auto checklist in here. Lots of pictures though. Let's hope we get something good. Got 4 autos, so hopefully at least one of them is something nice. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs per mini box with 5 cards per pack. All right, let's see here. Nick Gonzalez, Mookie Betts. I just love the freaking art on these cards. It's crazy. Miguel Cabrera, Austin Hendrick, and a Bobby Bradley rookie card. Let's go on to pack number 2. Mike Trout, Brewstar Gratterall rookie card. Pretty nice. Oh, cool. Power Producer Spencer Torkelson insert. Brett Beatty auto. Not bad. Would have saved it for later if I knew it was coming. Not a bad auto. Yadier Molina. Pack number 3. Jorge Soler. Garrett Crochet, a.k.a. Crotch Rocket. Casey Mize. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Jeter Downs. Franchise 2020. It's a pretty cool looking card. Pete Alonso to finish it off. Not bad, not bad. Pack number 4. Brand new Washington National, Josh Bell. Bryce Harper. Justin Dunn, rookie card. Franchise favorites, Juan Soto. That'll go straight into my PC. Jesus Luzardo, Jesus Lizard, rookie card. Pack number 5. Let's see. Jordan Yamamoto. Yoshi Satsugo. Adley Rutschman, Franchise 2020. That's a pretty cool card. 2 Brett Beatties in 1 box. What the heck? Oh, something ain't right there. Oh, this one's a refractor. Okay, so I mean, at least they're different cards. And Nate Pearson. Interesting first box there. Got 2 Brett Beatty autos. 1 refractor, 1 non-refractor. Not bad. And pack number 6, the first box. Nick Solak, rookie card. Yordan Alvarez, rookie card. Nico Horner, American flag insert, rookie card. That's pretty cool. Garrett Cole and Patrick Bailey. It's a pretty sweet little design on that card there. All right, box numero dos. Let's see what we hit here. Kind of stinks that I got 2 of the same auto in the same box, but what can you do? 6 packs to go. All right, let's see. Adley Rutschman. Jared Kelenic, he's a stud. Power Producers, Cody Bellinger. Juan Soto signed 1 of 50 franchise favorites card straight to the PC. What a phenomenal pull right there. Oh my gosh. Definitely the best pull of the box. And an Adbert Alzay rookie card. Let's jump into the next pack. That is a sweet pull right there. Awesome pull. All right, let's get these moved out of the way. All right, pack number 2 of 6 in the second box. Forrest Whitley, Nolan Arenado, Shogo Akiyama short print, 206 out of 250. It's pretty sweet. Casey Mize, and another Nico Horner rookie card, not an insert, just a base. See if it's, yep. Oh, it's a refractor too. Sweet. Still so hyped about that Juan Soto card. That's my favorite player right there. Added more to the PC. Zach Gallen rookie card. Paul Goldschmidt. Another Juan Soto. Zach Veen. Ed Howard. That's a nice card. I'm a Cubs fan. Gotta love some Ed Howard. 3 more packs to go. 1 more auto to go. Already hit the big one out of it all. So let's see what else we can pull here. Austin Meadows. Tim Anderson, another one of my favorite players. Gavin Lux. Oh my gosh, what kind of insert is this? Kind of like a Topps Chrome Sapphire looking American flag card. And Nick Lofton auto. Don't know a whole lot about him, but got to do some homework there. And, Andrew Vaughn. 2 more packs. All the autos have been hit, but let's still see what we got. What the heck is going on with this packaging? All right. Corey Kluber, the one and done with the Rangers. Eddie Rosario. Max Scherzer. Nick Solak, rookie card, franchise 2020 insert. And a Christian Yelich. Last pack right here. Let's see what we get. Cody Bellinger. Anthony Rendon. Bo Bichette, rookie card. That's a nice card right there. Nick Gonzalez, he's a stud. Buster Posey. Well, that'll do it for the pack opening. But here, let's take a look at the better hits out of it. Definitely the Juan Soto is the best one, of course. 1 of 50. Straight to my PC. Beautiful looking card. Nick Lofton. Gavin Lux. Insert rookie card. Pretty cool. Shogo Akiyama, short print out of 250. And then the 2 Brett Beatty autos. Not a bad box from Bowman's Best. I was really excited to rip into their stuff this year. That is amazing. But of course, you're not always going to hit stuff like this. This is extremely, extremely lucky. Hopefully that's not a little ding right there. But either way, Juan Soto out of 50.